Hello and welcome back to my channel in Jesus' name. Alright, so welcome back to this channel. I remain myself the great Johnsonkeyz. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you some drop 2 movements in the key of C. Yeah, we're back to C again. So this C has all white keys. So we have a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Yeah, even the children knows that. Alright. So you have been watching, you've not clicked the subscribe button. Please kindly do that now. And also click the like button. It does a lot of good when you click that. And that's just one of the few ways you can just support this channel. Click the subscribe button and click the like button also. And a comment is not bad. Let me know where you are watching from. God bless you. So we're going to do this song today in the key of C. Excellent is your name, oh Lord. I'm not a fantastic singer, but you tell if I'm a fantastic pianist or not. All right, so let's start from 1. So we are starting on 1. So I'll show you the basic progression so you can get it when we take it to the next level. So we are doing excellent 1 is your name, 2 oh Lord, 3 you know how we used to play there when we're learning. Yeah, I was playing like this in 2004. Okay, so excellent 1 is your name, oh Lord, then 6, then 2, then 5, then yeah. Sometimes music has some level of mathematics inside of it, so that's just like balancing the equation with all those stuff we did. Excellent is your name, oh Lord. 6, 2, 5. Again, excellent is your, you can see mathematics right there, but that's not where we're going. So we're going to do a drop 2 passing chord from 1 to 2 to 3 using our diminished chord, which I call them spiritual chords because I like the way they sound. I mean, they are very good chords. Okay, so let's do this. So we have our 1 chord, then we're going to write on G diminished 7 chord. So is that it? Yeah, that's it. So you know the meaning of drop 2, right? You know drop 2. Drop 2 means when you have a chord, drop 2 is actually dropping the second highest melody line, of course from the right to the left. So in this chord, which has a G, A flat, G, B flat, D flat, and E, right? So the first highest melody line is E, that's by the right. So this next second in line is D flat, right? So when you say you drop 2, when you say drop 2 is like a technique. When you say drop 2, I'm playing drop 2 of this chords. That means you are dropping this, the second highest note to the left. So this guy will come here. So it starts living here. So we're gonna write on this. Excellent. So we're gonna do this very fast. So it's gonna go G diminished 7. Of course, with the drop 2, it's not looking like a C sharp diminished 7 now. So we have a so let me just call the notes. D flat on the left, G flat, G, B flat, E on the right. Next, E on the left, B flat, D flat, and G on the right. Next chord, G on the left, D flat, E and B flat. Yeah, don't forget you should be writing. Yeah, so don't say this is too fast because you are not writing, right? So and then you can always take it back. It's not a crime too. So the next, so how many did I do? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So the last, B flat on the left, E, G, and D flat on the right. So we have a excellent 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 is your name. So that takes us to our 2 chords. So after the 1, slowly, but don't forget the singer will not wait for you. So you practice this alone and then play it in church when you can play very fast. Then we'll do another one. So we're doing that to 3. So we've done to 2 chord. Your 2 chord is your re, in case you don't know that. Yeah, 2 chord. Then we're gonna do another one from C diminished 7 chord. Drop the 2. That's G flat. Sorry. Okay, no. Okay, let's should we go from here? No. Let's go from. Okay, so let's go from this position. So the first chord, your F diminished 7, that's F sharp rather. F sharp, C, sorry, E flat and A. So next, so you just keep going in their patterns. We have a A on the left, E flat, G flat, C. Next we have a C on the left, G flat, A, E flat. Then this E flat on the left, A, C, and G flat to your 3 chord. So we have excellent is your name, oh Lord. Then to 6 chord, to 2, to 5. Oh, excellent. And then you continue the song. Name, oh Lord. We have 6, 2, 5, 1 on this channel. I have a lot of them. This chord I'm playing, I already showed it on the channel. How excellent is your name? How excellent is... I missed a line there. How excellent is your name? Oh, okay. Sorry, I have a full tutorial on this song. So let me not just. I'll just drop the link on the comment section. Yeah, I have a tutorial on this song. Yeah. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.